Every day you wake up, go to school, eat food, and study. But have you ever thought that all these daily actions belong to one special tense? And why do we say, I play cricket, but he plays cricket? Stay with me till the end because today you will learn the easiest rule of simple present tense and you will never forget it. Namaste everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In our previous videos, we learned about tenses and present tense. Today, we are learning the first and most important form of present tense, simple present tense, or we can say present indefinite tense. Okay? So, don't get confused. Both names refer to the same tense. Let's learn it step by step in a very simple way. Two names, same tense. Simple present tense and present indefinite tense are the same. Some books call it simple present tense while others call it present indefinite tense. But the rules remain the same. Simple present tense is used to talk about daily habits, routine actions, regular activities, general facts, universal truths. Okay? Now come to examples. Daily habits. I wake up early. मैं जल्दी उठता हूँ या मैं जल्दी उठती हूँ. I go to school every day. मैं रोज़ स्कूल जाता हूँ या फिर मैं रोज़ स्कूल जाती हूँ. These are what? These are daily habits. Now come to routine actions. We study English. हम अंग्रेजी पढ़ते हैं. They play football. वे फुटबॉल खेलते हैं. These are what? These are routine actions. Okay? Now general fact. Birds fly in the sky. पक्षी आकाश में उड़ते हैं. This is what? This is a general fact. Now universal truth. The sun rises in the east. सूर्य पूर्व में उगता है. This is a universal truth. Now tell me in the comments. What do you do every day? For example, I read books, I play football, I help my mother. Write one sentence about yourself. Okay? Now come to the structure of positive sentences. Let's learn the structure. Which, I, we, you, they. Subject plus verb, first form of the verb plus object. Okay? Always we use with I, we, you, they. What? Subject. The structure is first we have to use subject plus verb, first form of the verb plus object. For example, I play cricket. मैं क्रिकेट खेलता हूँ या फिर खेलती हूँ. We study English. हम अंग्रेजी पढ़ते हैं. They watch television. वे टेलीविज़न देखते हैं. Now comes the most important rule. Listen carefully. With he, she, it. Subject plus verb plus s or es plus object. What is the structure? Subject plus verb plus s or es plus object. Now come to examples. He plays football. वह फुटबॉल खेलता है. She reads books. वह किताबें पढ़ती है. My mother cooks food. मेरी माँ खाना बनाती है. Which sentence is correct? Please find out. My mother cooks food. My mother cooks food. So what is the correct answer? The answer is my mother cooks food. Why? Because my mother is what? It is singular. Therefore, we add s to the verb. Okay. So now come to negative sentences. Structure is what for negative sentences? We use subject plus do or does not plus first form of the verb plus object. Now follow these examples. I do not play football. मैं फुटबॉल नहीं खेलता हूँ या फिर मैं फुटबॉल नहीं खेलती हूँ. He does not play football. वह फुटबॉल नहीं खेलता है. Now come to interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences structure is do or thus plus subject plus verb, first form of the verb plus object. For example, do you play cricket? क्या तुम क्रिकेट खेलते हो? Does he play football? क्या वह फुटबॉल खेलता है? Remember this golden rule. I, we, you, they. One. Verb. First form of the verb is always used with I, we, you, they. For example, I play cricket. We study English. He, she, it. He, she, it. We use verb plus s or es. He plays cricket. She reads books. Okay. If you remember only these two sentences, you will remember the whole rule. I play cricket. He plays cricket. That's the secret of simple present tense. Okay. Now, so let's revise quickly. Simple present tense and present indefinite tense are the same. It is used for daily habits, routine actions, general facts, universal truths. I, we, you, they. We always use first form of the verb. He, she, it. Verb plus s or es. Okay. So, before leaving, answer this question in the comments. Which sentence is correct? Number A. She read books. Number B. She reads books. Okay, you have to write in the comment. And now write one simple present tense sentence about yourself. Okay, write in the comment. If this lesson helped you understand simple present tense, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. In the next video, we will learn more grammar concepts in a simple and interesting way. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep practicing and keep speaking every confidently. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Namaste. Take care.